My thirst-quenching beverage with apple juice, tea, and chia seeds. I sometimes prepare this beverage the day before and leave it in the refrigerator, my refreshing treat for the next day. Let's pour 8 ounces of organic unsweetened apple juice into an empty glass bottle. Eight ounces of water. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Close the lid and shake a few times within 2 to 3 minutes to prevent the chia seeds from clumping together. Add 1 green tea bag. Besides the refreshing and fruity taste, I enjoy this beverage for its vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acid, fiber content, and the beneficial virtues of green tea, all in one drink.